It's summer, it means it's hot, and we get all kind of creepy crawlies. We have ants. Today is our departure day. We did enjoy being here. The scenery looks very Nordic European because there's not high mountains in sight. So the lake looks like we are in Sweden or Finland. And the vegetation here is kind of similar. There's the cloves that free roaming cows have been eating here. So it's so nice to see that they can just free range here. The frogs are really loud here. So the frogs give us a sign that we are not in the Nordic Europe, but somewhere in very south. And we did check out the annual weathers, and it seems like this area is so high in the elevation. This does not get that toasty during the summer. Only like at 30 degrees or something. So kind of perfect place to be. Now it's our departure day and we will continue our journey. We have few errands to run. So one is to get fresh water. We already know where we are going to take it because we did try buy it. And then we will try 1 hour to the bigger town and get some groceries.
Again, 3/4 inch connection. So if we would have an empty tank, we would use the hose. But now just taking a couple buckets of water so we don't take our hose out.
This long receipt, 130 euros. Bunch of groceries, and it's hot as hell here. We bought ice creams, a little treat, and hopefully then we can find some cooler place to spend the night. It's really hot here in the town.
Trikala is left behind. And we came to the mountain is what is just beside the Trikala. Drove a little sketchy road again here up in the mountains, but this is some pasture lands. There's actually, I think, horses and some goats on that farm. Not far away. Yeah. Temperatures are totally different. It's like 26 when in Trikala it was 32. So it really makes a difference when you have a green, lush nature around you. And that is around us here. Lush green forest and plains. We got our van to the shade. That is the main thing on this summer, to have our van in the shade all the time, because in the daytime it gets really hot in the van. Also, our fridge works much better when it's on shade, so everything is better when parking in shade. Only thing is that we don't get solar or something around 30 watts. That's a good thing to have oversized panel, so you can get a little bit of solar to maintain your daily activities even if your van is totally shade. Of course you could get like this portable solar panel here. I don't like to spread things around. I think this is more discreet, and I like camping like this. Taking chairs out when we need use them and putting them back immediately when we are not using them. Yeah, it was coming quite good road until the town, and then was this pasture lands. We followed, I think, the owner's own road here. A little bit struts all around there and a little bit bumpy, but totally drivable.
Did you see the gorgeous place we arrived? It's so stunning here, but the weather is kind of weird still because there's this misty haze, so we cannot see it that long. Look at the size of that tree trunk. That oak must be really old. It's summer, it means it's hot, and we get all kind of creepy crawlies here. We have ants. Yeah. Our house is infested by ants and it's incredibly hard to get rid of those. We did deep clean everything and did spray vinegar, and hopefully we can get away from those, but if not, then we have to buy some kind of poison.
Couple of years since we cleaned these cupboards last time. There's a proof. A bread label from 2023 and the Fazer blue chocolate fraps. So it's 2 years since we cleaned it. And here's Pulla's and Sarah's hair a lot, but now it's clean. We do this deep cleaning sometimes, so we take everything out. All the cupboards open and take it out and clean it and disinfect it, and then it's good again for a couple of years. Fridge called white wine.
After a hectic day in Trikala.
And beautiful place again and again.
Again.
Yes, we love beautiful places. It gives us really good feeling, and this is the main reason why we are doing the van life.
Yeah.
Beautiful places.
And it never gets old. Even you see the most stunning places after stunning places, you still get like exciting feeling.
Even if we make quite amount of work to find the places and
drive these places.
Yes, and also servicing our van, servicing ourselves. It takes time, but it's so rewarding
and enjoyable.
Yeah, so I don't mind trying to find water somewhere or browsing Google satellite view for hours because it's part of the fun.
Yeah, it's really rewarding.
Like it's the best feeling of if you are planning your trip. It's same thing, planning your next camping place. So we are making like little steps, little trips, and it's enough for us to drive beautiful place or drive to beautiful place. The driving part is also really fun.
Sometimes a bit scary,
but coming to beautiful places is the best part.
Yeah.
So we are planning every day a new trip.
It's really good feeling.
That is how it feels.
Yeah.
And we don't stress about anything, so this is really easy living.
If we don't find the super beautiful place and maybe something moderate, we will stay there only one night.
Yeah.
And continue the trip next day.
And if there's a really beautiful place like this, we might be here 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Cheers to summer and gorgeous mountains.
But Pindos mountains, one of the most beautiful mountains. I don't blame, because there's this rock formations coming up from the rock face everywhere. So it's different and much beautiful, and there's trees everywhere. Yeah. So it looks again different compared to Peloponnese, where it's just bushes and sand.
And stingy bushes. Here's like a jungle.
I'm making lemon pasta. Really simple. Lemon pasta is one of the simple pasta you make. Lemon zest, lemon juice, some onion and cream. Put it in a pan, heat it up, and then add pasta, and you have ready lemon pasta. Most important ingredient is parmesan on top, of course. Sarah wanted to see tortoises in Greece, and now we have seen 10 already. They are everywhere, and you can actually hear them first because they are crawling in the bushes.
When the place is right, we can have outdoor showers. It's amazing feeling when you can bathe in the nature. Of course, our outdoor shower setup is not suitable for parking spot or somewhere. But now we will just soak the grey water in the ground. No biggie. It's soon nighttime and weather and wind changed completely because it's super windy now. Our van is shaking, but we are too lazy to change the spot because we did put levelers underneath our van, so we just hope the big dying branches don't fall to the roof of our van. Yeah. Here in the mountainsides, the weather just changes so quickly. It's so scary to be here because you can really feel the power of the nature. The wind is so brutal here. Whoa. I really hope it doesn't get more scary than this. Yeah. We are ready to go to bed. I'm so scared, yeah. Even I'm smiling. This is panicky smile. We are ready to go to bed and call it a quits. Whoa! Wind is so intensive. I don't know. Should we change the spot? I don't know if we can sleep here. Good night everybody, and thanks so much for traveling with us.